NVTS stock analysis and NVTS stock prediction. In this very brief, short and quick 1-minute video, I'm going to break down my exact play and everything for next week and onward, what are my levels and whatnot. And as the only guy in the space that has actually done this for 5 years and documented 41,000 videos and with proof and track record what's working for me, I've seen what's working and what's not. Especially NVTS, because this is the video when I called it out. It's a guaranteed break even because I finally saw this double break taking place. And all that to say is there's two outcomes to this. So when we open up on Monday, basically if we reach these highs, that's a take profit, and we reach the lows, that's a break even. It's going to be sucky if we have like some sort of a gap, but it is like, it's just part of the process. It is what it is, I guess. I mean, we can check even some previous receipts here in the Discord. All that to say is that unless I see, I mean, there's obviously outcome to this, but because it's not going to consolidate here forever. It's going to be one sort of outcome, and I'm here to just wait and see what's going to happen. And definitely keep you updated for the next week and over. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, continue to keep you updated.